beautiful nation full of heritage and splendor, and rich in cultural diversity. Naturally beautiful when peace thrives, where growth happens, happiness abounds. Where 47 different cultures, 47 different peoples, 47 different tribes come together as one to peacefully coexist in harmony and oneness to create one beautiful nation, where the only tribe that is one called Kenya. Let's protect the future of our children and the generations to come by living in peace, love, and unity. Wherever they are from, whoever they are, regardless of tribe, be it Luo, Luya, those whose population is going to be less than 1,000, Turkana, or even the Boran and the Somali from the north, the Kikuyu and all communities from the central region, or the 9 tribes of the Mijikenda in the coast. All of them smell the same, and their faces are the faces of our future, brought together by education, where tribal lines end and growth becomes paramount, where all children become one as they learn. One people, one nation, one tribe.